Hey, Sorors Hey, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. I'm Joy. I'm here to give you a review for the May Delta box. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on the May Delta box, then stay tuned. And I'll see you in a few minutes, Sorors. Bye. Hey, Sorors Hey, how are y'all doing? I'm here to review the May Delta box that didn't show up till June. Child, this box was so beat up. It got a DD214 and veteran preference points. Okay, got all 10 because this little box got beat up. You hear me? Okay, so let's get into it, Sorors. We all heard the discourse on this box. This box was actually very nice. I know y'all shocked, ain't it? I know. It was shocking. Even though it was late, it was still shocking that it was a really nice box. So let's get into it. I'm not going to prolong things. The theme for this month of May is Wanderlust. What's in the box? A ΔΣΘ vegan leather tote, a handheld fan, vegan leather wallet, and a Delta crest and pearl keychain. All right, let me give my disclaimer. I am not a Delta Box ambassador. I am a member of ΔΣΘ Sorority Incorporated, and therefore I'm giving my honest, uncut, unsolicited review of the Delta Box, whether it's good, bad, or indifferent. You go get the truth over here on Joyful and Triumphant. I'm gonna let you know the truth about the box and let you make your own decisions if you want to continue or not continue your subscription, start your subscription or not. That's on you, Sarah. I'm just here to give you an honest opinion and say what most Sarahs are saying in their head, but don't have nobody to say it to, or just afraid to say it. I'm gonna say it. But honestly, y'all, this month's box is very, very nice. I am just quite surprised. So let's get into the box. First of all, this is your return card for all the newbies, for all the neos. Welcome spring 2024 into our illustrious sisterhood. We know y'all are just so excited to be a Delta and to be able to get the box. Welcome. But this is your return card. If your items are too big, too little, too long, too short, damaged, missing, fill this card out, repack the box. You do have to pay for return shipping and handling. It is $15.99. All right, so the theme is Wanderlust. So this is the little keychain. It's pearls. It has the crest in red. It has a mid. Oh Lord, that's also, let's get this right. It's a mid in red. Now, a lot of Sorors said that this thing broke. My recommendation is that you do not use this as a keychain. Use it as a purse charm. You will get much longer wear and tear and use out of it. Do not use this as a keychain. Sorors have already said that theirs broke. My recommendation, use it as a purse charm. Looks cute. You'll get much more longevity out of it. This is cute. And I guess this is supposed to be our little bonus item in response to the debacle from earlier this year. It's cute. I'm not gonna say that. Next is the handheld fan, and this is definitely coming in handy. I live in Texas, West Texas, in the desert, in the heat. I'm gonna need this, especially at my job, because the AC broke. And yes, at the crack of dawn, it's 100 degrees. By noon, it's like 110. I'm gonna definitely need this fan. All right. Okay, Sorors. So the fan comes with a stand. This is the fan. You can sit it in a little stand. It has a mid on it in white. It has holders on the side for the strap. You can wear it around your neck, and it also comes with a charging cable. When you turn it on, mine says 80. That's how much power that it has. Don't do like I did. I thought it was telling me how many degrees it was in my room. But no, that's how much power your battery has. So it's at 80. It has several different settings. So setting 1, setting 2, setting 3, 4, and 5. 5 speeds. This is a very nice fan. Dear Delta, you did good with that one. So that's the handheld fan, Sorors. I like the fan. I'm not gonna complain about the fan. Now normally I'm cold and everything, but like I said, we don't have no AC at my job right now, and they taking their time and getting it fixed. So I need every kind of fan I can get to keep me cool in my office. All right, next up is the vegan leather wallet. It has the crest in red. It has 3 card slots on each side and a zipper area as well. Zipper. Okay. Now I'm gonna do as our favorite Delta auntie Sarah Tote told us to do. This is great for regional conference. Throw your membership card, your credit cards in there when you get ready to go to the crack house. Yeah, this is great for regional conference, and I'm definitely going to use it at the Southwest Regional Conference next month in June. Yeah. All right. Last but not least is the vegan leather tote bag. This is a nice tote. So it has red and white stripes on the side. It has the symbols embossed down the front with the registered trademark. On the back again is another crest. This bag is really cute. It has an adjustable strap. So if you want to carry it on your shoulder, you can carry it on the shoulder. It has a magnetic snap closure. It is red on the inside. It has 2 pockets. Pockets are deep enough for a cell phone. It also has a zipper pocket in the back as well. This is a nice bag, Sorors. You can use it for chapter meetings or just brunching or whatever you want to do. Here is my photo with the little bag. It's cute. I like it. My overall thoughts on the May box. Okay, dear Delta box. Y'all did pretty good this time. Not gonna complain. I like the box. I know, Sorors, y'all are like, what? Yes, I actually like the box. Now the time it took to get the box. No, ma'am. Y'all, dear Delta box. Y'all need to check on the people at the warehouse. I don't know what they doing. Maybe they in there making too many TikToks and dancing and playing around. Somebody need to go check the warehouse because the shenanigans is out of control. We didn't even get a notice about the box. The box just showed up. Some people got an email. Some people didn't get an email. Some Sorors got one email saying the box was going out on the 19th and it did not. And then it was crickets. And other Sorors got an email saying that the box was delayed because it got mixed in with another shipment. And if you go send the email out, send it out the same email to everybody. But all the onesies and twosies here now, that's a no-go. Do better than that. But overall, the contents of the box are amazing. I love them. Do better on delivery and service. All right, Sorors, that's all I have for this month of May Delta Box Wanderlust. Once again, my name is Joy. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sorors. I have a wide variety of content besides my Delta Box content. If you're into makeup, check out my playlist for the Ipsy Glam Bag and the BoxyCharm box. If you need a word of encouragement, because we know Deltas, we love the Lord. And the Lord is first in everything that I do. I am a licensed evangelist, and if you need a word of encouragement, then check out my playlist called Joyful Jubilations. Check out any of my shorts for Thankful Thursdays and Motivational Mondays. Just feel free to explore my channel. Alright, Sorors, I hope you have enjoyed this video. And once again, my name is Joy, and I'll see you all in the month of June. It's a regional conference month. Is everyone excited? I'm excited. This is going to be my first one in person. I've gone virtual for the last couple of months, but this will be my first one in person. So, Sorors, if you see me at the conference, be like, hey, Joy. And I'm looking forward to meeting you all. Until next time, Sorors, I'll talk to you later. Bye.